Just close your eyes. Know the peace within.
Do you know that what you perceive in this waking state just appears and disappears at an unexplainable speed? Do you know what this waking state is, which appears and disappears? Do you know how this waking state happens just now? Do you know why this waking state happens just now? Do you know what the sleep state is? Do you know how the sleep happens? Do you know that you are not the sleep that happens? Do you know what the dream state is? Do you know how the dream happens? Do you know why the dream happens? Do you know that you are not the dream that just happens and disappears? Do you know that you are not the waking state that appears and disappears? Do you know that you are not the sleep state that appears and disappears? Do you know that you are not the dream state that appears and disappears? Do you know from where the waking state happens, the sleep state happens, the dream state happens? Do you know that you are already prior to the dream state, already prior to the waking state, already prior to the sleep state? Do you know that you are none of the states perceived within space just now? Do you know that you are already prior to the ever-changing, ever-moving appearances and disappearances of all that happen, move and disappear in space? Do you know that only the perceived states, you call it as waking, dream or sleep, whatever it is constantly changing, constantly moving, appearing and disappearing, and they are not you. Once you come to know that the waking state is not you, can you remain affected by the waking state happenings? Once you know that you are not the dream state, you are not the dream happening, can you remain affected by the dream which is not you? Right now, you only observe the waking state that happens in space. Do you know that This waking state itself is spontaneous, and every object happening is spontaneous in space just now. Once you know that every form just appears and disappears, every object just happens spontaneously in space, can you remain affected by the happening of the object? Can you remain affected by the happenings of the form? Can you remain frustrated by any of the happening in space? You are constantly affected by each and every happening in space unknowingly. Unknowingly, you are trapped by each and every happening in space. Why? Because you are yet to know from where all this happen, from where all this appear, from where all this disappear. You are yet to know the secret about the origin of the all happenings of all objects of all forms in space. You know only whatever that appears, moves and disappears in space, and you are yet to know from where they all appear, move and disappear. Once you know from where they all appear and disappear, then you remain unaffected by the entire duality show. Till you know from where everything appears, moves and disappears, you are constantly trapped by the duality show. So first get to know from where everything appears, moves and disappears. Here every object appears at an unexplainable speed and disappears at an unexplainable speed. You know only the appearances and disappearances of all objects in space. You are yet to know that state which neither appears nor disappears, which is already prior to space, which is eternally ever present, which is never born and which cannot die. Now I am introducing that state in you which is ever present, only to know the objects within space. You are opening your eyes and get to know all the objects that appear and disappear. To know that state which is beyond movement, beyond changes, you need to close your eyes. With eyes open, the duality happens spontaneously. Only when your eyes are closed, you remain free from the manifested duality show and start knowing that state which neither moves nor changes, which neither appears nor disappears. Just now, with eyes closed, you come to know the stillness within. This stillness is unmoving. That's why it is called as still. This stillness is unmoving and unchanging. Since it does not move, it cannot change itself. Now you come to know the state by closing eyes and knowing the stillness within, and knowing the unmoving stillness within. Just now. In this stillness, your consciousness is conscious of itself. Just now you know that you are without words. You know your presence as I am without words. You need not say I am, I am. You know it directly without words. And this state is Infinite. This unmoving stillness is infinite, vast, beginningless, and endless. Your original state begins here, and your consciousness starts knowing itself only in stillness, which is infinite. Once you know this unmoving stillness within, you remain peaceful, utterly relaxed, endlessly joyful. This joy does not depend upon the matter, it is totally independent of the duality show. This joy is already there, prior to all objects, prior to all movements, prior to the duality show. This peace is already there, prior to objects, prior to movements, prior to the duality show. Through this infinite peace and endless joy, your consciousness is conscious of itself. First time, your consciousness is conscious of itself, inwardly. Inwardly means beyond space where there is no movement. Outwardly means in space where everything is constantly moving, changing, appearing and disappearing. Only by closing eyes, you remain free from the duality show and start knowing your conscious presence without words. Your consciousness is unmoving, unchanging, and ever present. And your consciousness knows its unmoving richness only when it settles inwardly in stillness. By knowing this stillness constantly, consistently within, you remain unbothered about the duality show which appears and disappears. Your consciousness is unmoving and it is already prior to the movement of the duality show. Your consciousness is non-dual, unmoving. And the duality begins out of your consciousness and every movement begins out of your consciousness. Your consciousness is beyond object and every object happens out of your consciousness in space. Once your consciousness knows its presence in this unmoving stillness, it remains utterly relaxed, totally peaceful, and endlessly joyful. Inwardly, your consciousness does not require anything. Your conscious presence is more than enough. That's why once you close your eyes and be with yourself inwardly, you are enough unto yourself. Because your consciousness contains the seed of entire manifestation within. The seed of entire manifestation is within your consciousness. Just now, you are conscious of your presence. Out of the light of your consciousness only, the world appears so. Out of the light of your consciousness only, cosmos appears so. Out of the light of your consciousness only, galaxies appear so. Out of the light of your consciousness only, the world appears so. Out of the light of your consciousness only, entire manifested objects appear so. So entire manifestation, appearances and disappearances are within space at the duality level where there is constant movement, constant appearances and disappearances spontaneously going on. There are no person ever here. I am indicating your conscious presence prior to duality, prior to movement, prior to manifestation, prior to all objects in space. Your consciousness, which is unmoving, unchanging, is already beyond space. To know the beyondness of your consciousness only, now you are closing your eyes. By knowing the beyondness, beyond movement, beyond appearances, beyond changes, beyond disappearances, your consciousness now relaxes itself. It is utterly peaceful and joyful. By knowing this unmoving conscious state, unchanging conscious state, you remain unbothered about the duality show which happens for a shorter duration. Your consciousness is eternally here in this unmoving state. Once your consciousness knows its unmoving state, it is not affected by the duality show in space where everything appears and disappears, where everything moves and changes. Only when your consciousness knows its conscious state inwardly, in stillness, beyond movement, you remain free from the duality show, whatever the show may be. Because now, with eyes closed, your consciousness knows the stillness within, which is beyond movement, which is beyond object, which is beyond appearances and disappearances. By not knowing the unmoving state within, by not knowing the infinite richness within, by not knowing the beginningless richness within, by not knowing the endless richness within, your consciousness is now accepting itself to be the form, to be a person, to be the identifications, unknowingly. Unknowingly, your consciousness accepts itself to be a person. Knowingly, your consciousness cannot accept itself to be a person, because once your consciousness knows its conscious state, it knows that it is already prior to the happening of the form in space. Your consciousness knows its beyondness prior to the manifested duality only when it settles inwardly. That's why I say your consciousness is conscious of itself only in stillness, and only by settling in stillness inwardly, your consciousness remains relieved from the duality show, and not otherwise. Now only you come to know that there is a state beyond this waking state, sleep state, dream state, beyond this manifested duality state, beyond all objects, beyond all forms, beyond every movement, beyond every appearances and disappearances. Once you know this unmoving state, constantly and consistently, you are totally free from the perceived duality show. Even when eyes are open, you just observe silently the way you observe just now with eyes closed. With eyes closed, you know the peace. And who observes the peace? And who can observe the peace? You only observe it just now, and you only observe the peace always. So you are prior to peace, prior to stillness, the source of stillness. And the stillness is already there. You observe the stillness and you remain peaceful. And inwardly no objects, no movements. So you are free inwardly already. The moment you open your eyes, simultaneously the world happens just now out of your consciousness. Simultaneously the cosmos happens just now out of your consciousness. Every object appears just now out of your consciousness. Every movement happens just now out of your consciousness. Entire world happens just now out of your consciousness. Only when you come to know the stillness within constantly and consistently, and only when you know how to observe silently even when eyes are open, you have the possibility to know that only out of yourself everything appears and disappears, and you only observe the entire episode of the duality show. No one can observe and only you can observe because it is your personal dream. The world is your personal dream. The world happens only because of the strong identification with the object that is perceived. The more and more you remain conscious inwardly in stillness, you remain free from identifications, you remain free from words, you remain free from the knowledge. By remaining free from knowledge, words, and identifications, you are totally free from the duality show, whatever the duality show may be. But are you willing to stay beyond words? Can you stay beyond words? Can you stay beyond identifications? Can you stay beyond knowledge? You find difficult to stay beyond knowledge because still you accept that you are the knowledge. Knowledge just appears and moves. You are the observer. You neither move nor change. Why you find difficult to stay beyond words? Are you the words? Are you not observing the words just now? The observer is beyond words, which appears and disappears. Words are not you because they just happen due to identifications with the object perceived. You are neither the word nor the knowledge nor the identifications. Once you come to know this deeply, you stay beyond words, beyond knowledge, and beyond identifications. Simultaneously, you are settling in your original state where you are already. You not only settle in your original state, you also stabilize in your original state. Whenever you stay beyond words, beyond knowledge, beyond identifications. Knowledge is not you. Knowledge is with respect to the object that is perceived, with respect to the object that appears and disappears. Object appears and disappears at an unexplainable speed. Are you the appearances? Are you the disappearances? Are you the object? Are you not the observer of the object? Are you not the observer of the appearance of the object? Are you not the appearance of the disappearance of the object? That's why I say, unknowingly you accept the duality to be real and to be yourself. Knowingly you cannot accept the duality to be yourself and to be real. Knowingly means your consciousness knowing its conscious state. Just now I help your consciousness to know its conscious state inwardly. Knowing is inwardly, knowledge is outwardly. Knowing is beyond movement, knowledge is with respect to movement. Knowing does not change, knowledge keeps on changing. Knowing neither appears nor disappears, knowledge appears and disappears. Knowing is beyond space, knowledge is within space. Just know the stillness and be in the stillness as much as possible and remain conscious inwardly. Totally, so that you will come to know the light within, and you come to know that out of the light of your consciousness only everything is manifested in space just now at an unexplainable speed. And your consciousness knows its consciousness only in stillness, but this stillness is not final. It is just the beginning of the wakefulness. Just now I help you to remain wakeful inwardly. Are you wakeful inwardly constantly? Why you are unable to be wakeful once your eyes are open? Again you accept yourself to be a person. Again you accept the dream to be yourself. Again you accept all that happened within space to be yourself with respect to the form. Why you accept the form to be yourself and all the movements and identifications related to the form to be yourself? Because you are unable to settle in your conscious state. By not settling in your conscious state, frequently you get trapped by the personality of the duality. You get trapped by the form level duality. Unknowingly. There are no person here. And who is getting trapped and who is sleeping? That's why I always say, I address my whole teachings to the consciousness within you, which is unknowingly accepting itself to be born and unknowingly accepting itself to be a form and unknowingly accepts that it is suffering. Unknowingly it accepts that it is going to disappear also at the form level. Why? Knowingly your conscious cannot accept itself to be a person. Knowingly your conscious cannot accept the duality happenings to be real. Knowingly your consciousness cannot accept the death to be real. Knowingly your consciousness cannot accept the dream to be real. Why? Once your consciousness knows that it is already in the non-dual source, can it fall a prey to the duality happenings in space? You are already beyond space. And every happening is within space. You are already beyond space and every movement is within space. You are already beyond object and every object is happening within space. This you will come to know only when your consciousness knows its conscious state. That's why I say your consciousness knowing its conscious state is most essential. Otherwise you are missing the essence of the highest truth within, that you are the eternal and that you are the only eternal and there is nothing greater than you, there is nothing higher than you. Your consciousness knowing its conscious presence is the beginning of wakefulness. All these days your consciousness knows only the duality state, only the object level state, only the form level state, only the identification based state in space. That's why it is unable to know that it is consciousness. That's why it is unable to know that only out of itself the entire duality is happening. That's why it is unable to know that it is still sleeping at the form level. That is why it is unable to know that it is yet to wake up to realize its ultimate potential beyond duality. At least now know the conscious state within, know the unmoving stillness within, know the unchanging stillness within, and remain free from the duality show, and remain free from the form level show, and remain free from the personality level show, and remain free from the object level show, and remain free from the identification level show. Unknowingly you are accepting the duality to be real. How long? Till you come to know the non-dual state. Once you close your eyes and start knowing the stillness within, you start knowing the non-dual richness. Why I call it as richness? Because it is already beyond the appearances and disappearances of the dreamy duality show. This richness is eternal. It is not object based. It is your subject based. Your subject is consciousness. And your consciousness starts knowing its richness only when it settles where it is already. Your consciousness knows that it is already beyond space, and your consciousness knows that it is already beyond object, and your consciousness starts knowing that it is already beyond form. Only when your consciousness knows its beyondness in stillness, it remains wakeful. Otherwise, your consciousness is accepting the duality to be real. By accepting the duality to be real unknowingly, you are unable to know the richness of your conscious state, the eternity of your conscious state, the reality of your conscious state, the ultimate truth about your conscious state. You are sleeping at the duality level through identifications. Unknowingly. Knowingly you cannot sleep at the personality level. Knowingly you cannot sleep at the form level. Knowingly you cannot sleep at the identification level. There are no person here. It is your consciousness unknowingly accepting itself to be born, and it is your consciousness unknowingly accepts itself to be suffering, and it is your consciousness unknowingly accepts that it is going to disappear. How long? Till it knows the conscious state beyond space, till it knows the conscious state beyond object, till it knows the conscious state beyond the appearances and disappearances of the duality show. Just now I am indicating that state which neither moves nor changes and which is infinitely, eternally ever present. You come to know the highest richness about your conscious state only when you settle inwardly, only when you stay beyond words and observe silently. Just now, you are closing your eyes and start knowing the unmoving stillness within. This is just the beginning of the wakeful state. Now your consciousness knows the unmoving state. This is most essential to wake up totally and to realize where you are and what you are. What else I am doing here? Throughout my teachings, I help you to close your eyes and know the conscious state within, to know the stillness within, to know the unmoving state within. Till you leave this place, I help you to be conscious of yourself inwardly. Now your consciousness knows the unmoving state. You cannot say, I don't know the unmoving state. Your consciousness knows the unmoving state just now inwardly. Knowing this unmoving state is the beginning of your wakefulness. Knowing this unchanging state is the beginning of your wakefulness. That's why you are closing your eyes and start knowing your conscious state. I am introducing the conscious state within you. Eternally, endlessly, beginninglessly. Why not you settle here constantly and wake up totally? Which is preventing you? Now you know the conscious state. Can you miss the conscious state even when eyes are open? Because this conscious state neither appears nor disappears. How can you miss it? Still you are missing. That shows unknowingly you are accepting yourself to be a person. Knowingly you cannot accept yourself to be a person. Knowingly means consciousness knowing its unmoving state. I go on tell you, know the unmoving stillness within. This may look simple, but it contains the enormous truth, the highest truth within, which remains unexplored unknowingly. Knowingly you cannot sleep. Knowingly you cannot suffer. Knowingly you cannot get depressed. Knowingly you cannot get frustrated. Knowingly you cannot remain tensed. All your frustrations, all your depressions, all your tensions, all your disturbances and perturbances are exclusively at the unknowing level. Unknowing level means consciousness accepting itself to be a person. Now I help your consciousness to know its conscious state. Once your consciousness knows its conscious state, knowingly it cannot suffer. Once your consciousness knows its conscious state, inwardly, knowingly, it cannot remain depressed. Your consciousness is already free from the show. How can it remain disturbed, perturbed? How can it remain tensed? That's why I say your consciousness Knowing its conscious presence inwardly is most essential. Once your listening is total and deep, you will not miss these teachings, because each and every word of these teachings helps you to be conscious of yourself inwardly and to settle inwardly and to remain free from the duality show, which is not you. Unknowingly, you are accepting the whole episode of the waking state to be yourself and to be real. Because you are yet to know from where it happens. Even now, everything appears nowhere but in your consciousness. Everything disappears nowhere but in your consciousness. Everything happens nowhere but in your consciousness. And where is your consciousness? That you do not know. You are yet to know. Since you do not know where you are and what you are accepting the duality to be the reality. Now I am introducing the conscious state within. Once you settle in this conscious state, you cannot miss the essence of the truth that you are already beyond birth and death, that you are eternal, that nothing never happens to you, that you are the only observer, the exclusive observer, the eternal observer. Only when your consciousness knows its conscious presence inwardly in stillness, it wakes up totally and knows the eternal observer, the unborn observer, the deathless observer, the ultimate observer, the supreme observer, the absolute observer, the endless observer, beyond space, beyond dream, beyond duality. Till then, your consciousness is trapped by the perceived duality show unknowingly. Once it knows its conscious presence, it remains free from the entire episode of the dreamy duality show. Totally. At least now, know the conscious state within. Settle in the conscious state within. Stabilize in the conscious state within. And know that you are already beyond the waking state, the dream state, the sleep state. And know that you are already beyond the duality show. And know that you are more wakeful inwardly. And whatever that appears, disappears in space is exclusively by the elements, and no person ever here. Everything just happens spontaneously by the play of the elements, and you only observe. Observe silently in stillness and wake up totally to realize that you are already that and always that.